Welcome everybody, this is Cynthia Sampson and you are watching Mine Arab News channel. So today's latest news which I have brought today, that is from Turkey. So everybody, there is a very good news that Turkey has developed COVID-19 vaccine which is now be ready on the human trial in the coming 10 days as stated in media by the Health Minister Farhattin on Saturday. So let me tell you what exactly happened, that he made an announcement when he went for the inspection in a pharmaceutical laboratory which is located in the northwestern part of Turkey, that is Tekirdağ. So what he saw, that there has been the development of the COVID-19 vaccine which is still in the process. So after seeing all this, he made a video call to the president of Turkey, that is Tayyip Erdogan. He gave the information, in fact relayed the information and told about the status of the vaccine. In fact, he also told that initially this vaccine was tested on the animals. So there were 19 animals, out of which 10 animals were injected by this vaccine and 9 animals were kept in the control group. So talking about those animals who were not injected and kept in the control group, so out of 9, 4 have died and rest of the remaining 5, they are still showing the symptoms of the virus. Now talking about the 10 animals which were injected by these COVID-19 vaccine. So after 2 weeks it was observed that the animals did not show any type of traces or symptoms of this virus. So now the news in details. The second vaccine that successfully completed the preclinical trials and reached the human trial phase. The third one was an inactivated vaccine which uses the killed version of the virus that causes the disease that is being developed. Regarding the production, once the vaccines are approved, Farhattin said that the facilities he visited were well equipped to produce the necessary volume while complying with good manufacturing process guidelines, adding that a similar production plant was ready in southeastern Adiyaman province. After hearing the details of the vaccine developments, Erdogan, who is the president of Turkey, thanked everyone involved for their efforts. I would like to congratulate and thank everyone involved on behalf of myself and our people. I hope we can start production soon and start vaccinating our people so we can significantly lower our patients' numbers, the president said. Rare symptoms in eyes. So meanwhile, a Turkish doctor warned that some coronavirus patients could show COVID-19 in their eyes. Speaking to the Anadolu agency, an optometry doctor said that such symptoms were reported in at least 1% to 2% of COVID-19 patients, nothing that eyes are an important transmission route for the virus. Nothing that red eyes, a condition known as conjunctivitis, had been identified in such patients. It was also recommended that people in occupations involving frequent and close contact with others should use protective eyewear. He said while protective eyewear would not be sufficient protection by itself, it could reduce the chances of contracting the virus via droplets coming into contact with eyes, warning that those suffering from COVID-19 could infect others by talking, sneezing, or coughing. Virus could be transmitted if infected droplets reached another person's conjunctiva, the membrane covering the inside of the eyelids and white part of the eyes. Protective glasses are preferable to prevent contamination via eyes, he added. Rather than monthly, another way to reduce contamination risk through the eyes, that is by changing contact lenses every day. Despite the rarity of the conditions relations to coronavirus, he urged people who exhibit sudden redness, watering, or stinging in their eyes to see a doctor. So now talking about the cases in Turkey so far. So in the last 24 hours, it was found that 1502 new cases arrived with 59 new fatalities. So talking about the total number of cases which took place in Turkey, that was more than 383,000, and total number of recovery rates which was found, that was more than 283,000. As I told you that in last 24 hours, 59 new fatalities took place. So the total number of deaths in Turkey which took place, that was more than 8,000. Also let me tell you that in last 24 hours more than 103,000 COVID-19 tests were conducted, bringing the total number of COVID tests in Turkey, that was 10.7 millions. Also let me tell you, it was also found, talking about the patients in the critical stages. So there has been the drop of the COVID-19 cases, that is by 1600, bringing the total number of percentage, that is 6.4% of the pneumonia cases. Now talking about, since the increasing cases has been there in Turkey, so they made an announcement or made it mandatory that every citizen or the people who are residing in Turkey, whenever they go outside, they should be wearing the mask. Also let me tell you that Turkey scrapped the idea of reopening of the school. So instead of that, they reopened the school partially. That is, the high graders in fact and kindergartens were allowed to attend the classrooms. Rest of the students will take online classes for the purpose of education. So this was Cynthia Samson. Keep watching my Arab news channel, and like this we will be coming up with some more interesting Hindi and English news on this Arab channel. Thank you so much.